Good morning, students. Class 12. Today we are going to discuss business letter. And as we have already discussed in class 11th also, though letters are almost same in class 11th as well as in class 12. Business letter, that can be the relation between the two companies. When one of the company demand something or inquire something from the another company, they place an order, they cancel an order, sometimes they may complain. In these things, whenever these sort of discussion is going to take place, company to company, then we write business letter. Remember, my dear students, the format of business letter is different from other letters, right? So first of all, let's discuss the format. Your business letter, as usually you have seen that companies write their letters on letterhead. Remember, business letter will be written on letterhead. Fine? Letterhead like this. What will be there in the letterhead? Let me make little changes. Though the things are almost same, slight changes. As in other letters, first step is self-address. Here I would say your first step will be box, because this letter will be inside the box. Okay, now move further. Self-address. You will write the same self-address first in the center, because when you will write something on letterhead, you are to write in center. What will come? Name of the company. Name of the company. So you are to write here in the center name of the company. It can be like this. Mehta, Sons and Company. Next step, address. Address of what? This is the part of self-address. Still we are talking about the self-address. Next step will be address of the company. That should be again in center of this box. Address of the company, that can be the building number, that can be the shop number, okay, or any particular area. So here you will mention shop number, whatever the number is, you will mention here, suppose 291/A, then particular area where it is. Then in this same you will mention contact number or email address. Contact number or email address. You will write here first MBL, whatever the mobile numbers, and then you will mention email. So if you see, dear students, you will find that again the self-address is in 3 lines, right? The next step is on the left hand side you will mention date. Next step is date. So right here on the left hand side, for example, today is 2nd of April 2020. Further, reference number. Further, reference number. This number is very, very important. I am going to mention here REF dot number. Then put colon. reference number is very important, because if this number is not here, your letterhead is totally useless. Then there will be no value of this letterhead. Then there will be no value of this letter. So reference number is necessary, because this reference number tells that in which sequence you are going to send this letter to which particular company, because one of this letter copy will be sent to that particular company, one will be kept in your own record. Okay, so dear students, reference number is must. Suppose you have placed an order, you have a company, and further you placed many other orders to the other companies, and one of your orders does not reach to you. Then how would you identify? Then this reference number will help you. You will move back, you will notice, okay, this letter I sent to this particular company, this number this company, this number this company. Finally you will reach that particular reference number, and you will be able to identify, yes, I sent that particular order to that particular company. Then when you are making complaint to that company, you will again mention that I placed an order with your company against this reference number. That's why this reference number is important. You already mentioned your reference number in that particular letter. Okay, so reference number is very important. So dear students, you will write here your reference number of the company. It can be anything. It can be anything. You can write by your own. You can carry name of the company in this. Okay. Then address of the addressee. Address of the addressee. When you are writing address of the addressee, you can write directly to the company also, you can write to the manager of that particular company also, or you can write any concerned person of that particular company. Okay, so here you can mention the name of the company, or you can write the manager, and then you can mention next name of the company. It's your choice. Mention the name of the company, then here mention address like shop number, and then mention place. Here you are to mention place. For example, I am going to mention New Delhi. Right? So if we see, what is the slight difference till now? Only the difference of reference number. Rest of the things are same. Next is subject. Next thing you will mention subject. Again, dear students, leave space and mention subject. And as I told you that you have to write complete word subject, and whatever your subject is, it must be underlined. You have to underline the complete subject. Next comes salutation. Again I would say, write here sir. Though you can write dear sir, respected sir, but again I am telling you that when we write word sir, we pay respect to that particular person. Then you will start writing your content. So the next step will be content. And finally, you will write here yours sincerely or faithfully. Yours sincerely, then name, and then you will close the box. Okay, so finally what will come? Complimentary close. So dear student, in this way you are to write your business letter. Remember, you can place an order, you can cancel an order, you can make an inquiry, or you can make a complaint under business letter. So dear students, from BBC Compacta, you will write a business letter in which you will place an order. Fine? And after that you will send it to me for checking. Thank you.